Another day, another windmill. Good morning from Zierikzee. Today we're going for a walk. Afterwards we're going to see, I'll give you a hint. Can you guess?
So what do you think about this national park?
It's amazing. You have this dike that encloses an area for birds, and also going on the dike, see the sea, and also the Zeeland bridge. Really, really cool.
Where are we?
In Zierikzee, a really beautiful town. Echt, you have all these tiny little houses. Also the harbor, the old harbor in the middle of the town with this bridge. Super cute.
We're gonna go on a seal safari.
Pew pew pew. The bridge. So we're here at the National Park of Zierikzee. The walking trail, unfortunately, we cannot follow now because the birds are
They're in breeding
season,
so we have to respect that.
Yeah, we cannot disturb them.
We got a little bit of an impression what it's like here. We have cows and ducks. Looks really nice.
Yeah, that was it. That was our last day.
We had a beautiful time
My
here.
God.
Wow, what an impression of the landscape.
And the Netherlands, right?
Yeah.
Really, really cool.
Blessed.
Alright, see you next time.